How many times have you sat at a table wondering how to write a sermon? You may have a verse or a topic in mind, but you don't know how to start. I've been at that same table so many times. A blank mind, a blank piece of paper, a blank screen. I don't know where to start. There is hope. By having a process, a sermon writing process, you will stay on track and you will write more engaging sermons. And by having more engaging sermons, it can help your church grow. By the end of this video, you will have a 4-step process that will make your sermon writing easy. Step 1. 1 is the number. Only have one main idea and one main scripture. Avoid having multiple ideas because it's hard for your listeners to follow you. By having one main idea supported by one scripture, your listeners will leave understanding what your sermon was all about. Step 2. Solve the problem. In step 2, you will answer 2 questions. What is the problem that can be found about the topic seen in your scripture? What is the solution that can be found about the topic that is seen in your scripture? The problem and the solution is tied to your topic, which can be found in your scripture. Step 3, relate to the person. In step 3, you will speak to their head. What do you want them to know? You will speak to their heart. Who do you want them to be? You will speak to their hand. What do you want them to do? You are relating the topic to their entire being. Step 4, connect with the flow. Now, I'm not going to unwrap step 4 yet. I will soon, but not now. But I want you to know that step 4 is all about connection.